Lots of delicious goodies like seaweed, rice, avocado, and crab sticks are wrapped inside rice paper, kind of like a sushi roll. Then it's pan fried until crispy. It's so good. If you like sushi and you like rice paper at the same time, this is something that you have to try. It is the perfect combination. Let's get started. I'm using medium grain rice, but you could use any other types of rice that you enjoy. After thoroughly rinsing the rice, transfer the rice to a rice cooker and pour in the water. Choose the setting for rice and cook until done for about 30 minutes. Remove the rice from the rice cooker and cool down slightly. Here's an avocado that I have already cut. To prevent the avocado from turning brown, squeeze the lemon juice all over the avocado. In a bowl, add the water and rice vinegar. You can also replace it with white vinegar. It helps with the browning of rice paper. Whisk. Place the rice paper on a working surface. Lightly brush the water mixture on both sides until softened but not overly wet. The oil will splatter a lot when the rice paper has too much moisture on it. By the bottom corner, add the roasted seaweed sheet and about 2 tablespoons of steamed rice. Sprinkle toasted sesame over the rice and rice paper. Sesame wouldn't be burned easily when we add it on the inside of the rice paper. Followed by the imitation crab sticks. I have shredded them in halves. And avocado. Fold it up. Fold the two sides toward the center. And roll it up all the way. Repeat with the rest. In a pan over medium heat, pour in the avocado oil or other high smoking point oil that you enjoy. And sprinkle with a pinch of salt. Salt will season the rolls and help to absorb some moisture, so the oil won't splatter as much. Transfer the rice paper sushi rolls to the pan. Pan fry until crispy on every side, about 4 minutes. You can serve with soy sauce and wasabi on the side. It's like eating sushi, but better, because it's so crispy and aromatic on the outside. Just so delicious. I hope that everyone enjoyed today's episode also. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like, and I will see you again soon. Bye!